Good morning. It's another cold day ahead, but there'll be a lot of sunshine. Snow showers continuing across northern Scotland and Northern Ireland, with a few down the coastline as well. I'll have all the details later in the programme.
How cold it's going to get in the next few days. Good morning. God, that picture tells the story.
Good morning.
It certainly does. Good morning,
Wow.
both. Good morning to you too. It's actually going to be colder this week than it was last week. By night, some of us will have temperatures falling away to about -10, possibly even a little bit lower than that. We're also looking at snow, mainly in the north, mainly Scotland and Northern Ireland, but a few other areas will see it too, and sharp overnight frosts. What's happening is we're pulling in this cold northerly wind straight down from the Arctic across the whole of the UK. Windy today across the north and also the east. And if you're exposed to that wind, this is where we're going to see the lion's share of the showers. The showers wintry in nature. And again, there's the risk of ice on untreated surfaces first thing. So the showers will be across Scotland, the north of Scotland, Northern Ireland, some of the wintry coming down the east coast of England, especially into parts of Norfolk and Suffolk for a time. And we'll see some of those getting in across Wales, possibly Cheshire, but as we come further south, they're mostly going to be rain showers. Wherever you are, though, despite the sunshine, it's going to feel cold. Look at Aberdeen, freezing the maximum temperature, and Norwich 3. But when you add on the wind chill, this is how it will feel against your skin. -7 in Aberdeen today, -3 in Norwich. But as I mentioned, wherever you are, it's going to be a cold day. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, the wintry showers in the north persist, and then we've got a new weather system coming in from the west. Now, initially, it will bring in a mixture of rain, sleet and snow across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. But as the night wears on, you can see as it bumps into the cold air, we'll readily see some heavier snow across western and southwestern Scotland and northern parts of Northern Ireland. Could be quite disruptive by the time we get to the morning. And we're also looking at some lighter snow coming in across the northwest of England down towards Wales. These are our overnight lows, but in sheltered glens in the northeast of Scotland, we could have a low of -7, possibly -8. So tomorrow, this is the system bringing the snow. It's going to be moving slowly from the west towards the east, and there will be some heavy snow with it as it does so. In fact, across the central lowlands through the course of the morning, we could have 2 to 5 centimetres of snow. So that could cause some issues, for example, on the M8. And it will continue to push slowly, steadily eastwards. 10 to 20 centimetres of snow quite possible on higher ground in the north of Scotland. And the system sinks a little bit further south with a mixture of rain, sleet and snow. But south of that again, it's going to be largely dry. But wherever you are, it's going to feel cold. Then as we head on into the middle part of the week, it's this system in the south we're watching. If it moves a little bit further north and engages with the cold air already in situ across southern counties, here we could see just a spell of snow across the far south of England. But we continue with snow showers in the north of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but in between something drier and brighter. But once again, wherever you are, it is going to feel cold. John and Sarah.
It's hard to build up the resolution to go running, isn't it? No, I was going to go for a run, but it's brutal out there.
Really is.
And icy too.
Icy.
Icy too, John.
Yeah,
Watch out for that.
Indeed. Thank you.
Oh, thanks.